Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to link your Activision account to Warzone Mobile. All we need to do is to just go ahead and log in on the bottom left right here. Now your Activision account are your account that is connected via all of your different Call of Duty games, and you're able to go ahead and keep track of all your records there. Well, in this login right here, all you need to do is to just add in your email address with your Activision account and then your password, and then you're able to go ahead and log in. If you go ahead and log in with your other networks like your PlayStation, your Xbox, your Battle.net, and your Steam, you will need to go ahead and link your Activision account through the Activision website itself. And then you can just go ahead and log in with your Activision through this email right here. And there you go. Just go ahead and log in with your Activision account. That's how you're able to go ahead and link this through Warzone Mobile. Well, I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.